Hi everyone, it's Lynn. I'm doing this a little early because I didn't want to miss pulling a color. So I don't have stuff to show you. But that being said, I didn't want to miss pulling a color, so I knew what we were talking about just because I have to be out of town the first part of next week because I'm going to help someone. And so I didn't want to miss this. So I thought I would pull the next color and so that you would know what we were going to talk about next weekend. And I'm going to try to post these on Saturday because it seems to be easier for me than Friday. But, you know, if I get them posted on Friday, good for you. You get it early. There you go. So anyway, crayon box. I don't know which one. What color am I pulling? Oh my gosh, we're getting blue again. Blue again, only it is indigo, so it is dark blue. Indigo, indigo, indigo. What can I tell you about indigo? You know what? Indigo is kind of interesting from a dyeing perspective of color. Shibori fabric is made with indigo dye, and indigo dye is made by a plant. And if you pick the plant, it will dye your hands that dark blue that's right above me color. So that's color is close to like the indigo color of dye. So maybe we'll talk about a little like history of indigo color in itself, which is kind of interesting, as well as look at what all it goes with. Kind of have a neat example behind me because we just talked about blue, but we'll talk about a darker color blue and how that adds richness and all that kind of stuff. But shibori, yeah, I think it is called shibori. Shibori dyed fabric is a technique out of Asia. I want to say Japan. Shibori sounds Japanese. I'm trying to remember. I'm pretty sure it's Japanese. May have really used indigo dyeing for a long time in their culture. I know we have indigo plants here in Georgia, and I know that they teach indigo dyeing here in Georgia, which is a plant-based dye, which is kind of an interesting, we use a lot of synthetic dyes today, but this is definitely a color that we have seen for hundreds of years, hundreds, if not thousands of years, as a color that is used to dye fabric. So yay for us. I think that'll be really interesting. And stay tuned because we will do more with our new color, indigo. So hopefully you guys will have a great week, and I will talk to you at the end of the week. Thanks. Bye.